Respect the market. Have an open mind. Know what to stake. Know when to take a loss. Be responsible. Hastily taken decisions always result in heavy losses. Take your own time before putting money in any stock. Anticipate trend and benefit from it. Traders should go against human nature. Never invest at unreasonable valuations. Never run for companies which are in limelight. Trading always keeps you on your feet, it keeps you alert. That's one of the reasons why I like to trade. Emotional investment is a sure way to make loss in stock markets. You cannot make profits in the stock market unless you have the ability to bear losses. Buy when others sell and sell when others buy. That's the stock market mantra. Invest in companies which have strong management and competitive management. When opportunities come, they can come through technology, marketing, brands, value protections, capital, etc. You need to be able to spot those.